Welcome to Three Simple Things, a Gennari Aronson series of tips and information from our corporate and transactional practice. Today's topic, equity grants. Equity awards can be a great way to incentivize your staff, align their interests with the goals of the business, and create a sense of ownership in the outcome of the business of your corporation. Once it's time to take that step, you'll have some decisions to make. If you're an early-stage company with a relatively low valuation, you may want to issue restricted stock. Your recipient can start their holding period immediately for capital gains purposes, but they'll have all the rights of a stockholder, including voting rights, and will also have a very short window to file forms with the IRS to take advantage of favorable tax treatment, and failure to do so can have adverse consequences for both the recipient and the corporation. Once you've moved beyond that early stage, you're typically looking at granting stock options, or a right to purchase stock of the corporation in the future at a set price under certain conditions. If done properly, the grant itself will not be a taxable event for your recipient, but they won't start any holding period for tax purposes until they exercise the option. Fair market value for shares of a private company is not readily ascertainable, as is the case with public companies. So for either restricted stock or options, you'll need to determine the value of the underlying shares as of the date of grant. Once the firm has the information they need, they'll often be able to move quickly with the valuation. 7 to 10 business days is customary. Prices vary widely, but there are firms that work specifically with early-stage companies with limited histories and price their offerings accordingly. And some platforms even offer a 409A valuation as a free perk of signing up for their paid services. Before issuing any equity grants, be sure to consult with your accounting team and legal advisors.